I ordered this from AliExpress to use in my future projects. This is Universal Stylus Pen for tablet, mobile phone, touch pen for iOS, Android, Windows for Apple, iPad, pencil for Xiaomi, Huawei stylus. The model itself shows that the charging port is USB-C type with long life battery. Let's check this capacitive pen. My main target is to draw the things I want to explain in my YouTube videos. It is necessary to accurate and able to draw narrow lines. Once the box is opened, you can see the capacitive pen, USB-C type charging cable, user manual as well as extra 2 tips. The user manual has the instructions to use. I did not have any idea about how to on/off the pen until reading the user manual. You can on/off the pen by to taps back to the pen. And, the provided USB-C type short charger cable may not be long enough. But you can get charged the drive. The extra pen tips will help you not to buy new tips. Let's check the pen. If you want to replace the tip, you can remove it by rotating anti-clockwise and replace new one. When you charge the pen, remove the rubber cap and connect the charging cable. If the battery is not charged, you will see the lights in red, and once the charging is completed, it will turn into green. You can on the capacitive pen by tapping 2 times back to the pen. Same way you can off the pen. My target is to use for my Samsung A10 tablet, but I will show this pen with iPhone as well. This is my Samsung A10 tablet. The pen is worked well with Android device. The important thing is the price. This is less than $5. So I can tell you that, it is worth for price. I have another capacitive pen with sponge ball. It is good to use for highlighting PDF documents and normal drawing. But not suitable for other works as the sponge tip stick with the display and hard to move. However, the both capacitive pens are working with Android and iPhone. Okay. If you have same experience, and how about your choice? Do not forget to mention in the comments. Until next video, stay with SetNFix.